What's up guys, here I have a 16 VW Tiguan and we're going to be resetting the inspection now light. So to reset the light, we're going to first turn off the car. Now we'll press the hazard button, turn those on. We're going to press and hold down the 00/reset button. Then we're going to put our foot on the brake and then power on the car. And then do you really want to reset inspection? Head over to our steering wheel and hit OK. Service reset. Now I did that with one foot on the brake, one foot on the start button, and another one holding the camera, and another one to hold the reset button. So you got to utilize all hands and fingers here, guys. Anyways, if you found that video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel as well. Check out other car videos there. I also show you guys how to reset your oil light right here. I will link that there. Basically, similar process, but you don't have to use the hazard button. So check out my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.